To troubleshoot Venmo not accepting your phone number, start by ensuring your phone number is correct and properly formatted. Double check that you have entered the correct digits and that the number is active and can receive texts. If your phone number is correct, restart the Venmo app and try again. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve the issue. If restarting the app does not work, check if your phone number is already associated with another Venmo account. Venmo only allows one account per phone number, so if you have previously created an account with the same number, you will need to use a different number or deactivate the old account. Next, check your phone settings to ensure that Venmo has permission to send and receive texts. If you have any security or call blocking apps installed, try disabling them to see if they are interfering with Venmo's ability to verify your number. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, try deleting and reinstalling the Venmo app. This will remove any corrupted data that may be causing the problem. Finally, if you are still experiencing issues, contact Venmo's customer support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem or provide additional guidance on how to resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the issue of Venmo not accepting your phone number, and get back to using the app to send and receive payments. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and secure to avoid any further issues.